Out of 100 people, 86 are still looking at their ex's photos. In psychology, this is called FOMO, fear of missing out. Now, FOMO can be explained as the gap between the life you have right now and the life you'd think you'd have if you hadn't lost that specific aspect. So in order to make her miss you, don't try to actively get her attention. Aim to become a person they miss being around. So you have to improve your perceived value from 3 points of view. Number 1, looks. Now I told you that 86% of people are still looking at their ex's pictures, but not all pictures are the same. In between these two photos of Ronaldo, which one do you think a woman would find more attractive? This one. In fact, most of the women commenting on this post said that he looks disgusting. The difference lies in the perceived effort. During the High Renaissance era, there was a term for this called sprezzatura, the art of making something impressive seem effortless. That's why trying to grab someone's attention would never work. You have to catch it by accident. Now I'm not telling you to start posting thirst traps, but going to the gym is always a good start. And you're actually blessed because of a thing called neuromuscular adaptation. Every muscle is made out of many fibers. Usually you don't need all of them to do your daily task, so your body kinda puts them into hibernation. They get smaller. But once you start to need them weekly, your nervous system will start to activate these fibers and make them grow, making your muscles grow as well. That's why in your first year of training, you can add approximately 1 kilogram of muscle mass per month. Yet, many people never get to see these results because they train incorrectly. According to this study, in order to get maximum results as a beginner, you should train every muscle group 3 times a week, with 4 sets per muscle group, and only use a weight that's about 60% of your 1 rep max. Now, although muscle mass is a big indicator of attraction, so is height. What does height have to do with going to the gym? You see, many people experience something called anterior pelvic tilt, which, as you can see, takes away a few inches off your natural height. Now you can actually get rid of this tilt by improving the strength of these 3 muscle groups. Now if you think that all of these take too much time, I got a way for you to instantly improve your look. In 2025, some researchers asked 8,000 women, what's the most attractive hairstyle? What are the most important things about a man's hair? What hairstyles they wish men would try more? And if they like men who use hair products. Number 2, charisma. Here's something crazy. People who initiate the breakup tend to think about their ex more than the people who are broken up with. So if someone rejected you recently, they're probably still thinking about you, if you don't mess things up. Enter the information gap theory. People only get curious when they notice a hole in their knowledge. She must know that your life and feelings are changing, but not be entirely sure how. And this is where the spontaneous trait transfer comes in hand. Basically, if you describe a quality in someone else, people often start associating that quality with you. So instead of talking bad about a girl from your past, always talk in a respectful way. This will not only make you seem more socially chiseled, but also confuse her if she finds out. But of course, for her to care about your feelings in the first place, she must see you as a socially valuable person. How? A. Handle personal space. Take a look at this map. According to Edward Hall, when a stranger or casual acquaintance enters the intimate zone, the brain triggers a threat response. This little fella is flooded with sensory information like their smell, body heat, and breath, which trigger a certain emotion: disgust. Unlike other emotions like anger or sadness, which can be resolved through apology or time, disgust is almost permanent. So never invade someone's intimate space. B. Jump points. Most of the conversations you have with a stranger become uneasy mostly because of awkward silence. How can you erase that problem? Well, let's take a random statement from a conversation. I really like reading. My favorite book is Harry Potter. This statement alone gives you 2 leads to continue the conversation. C. Visual subtitles. In 2025, the UBC Sauder School of Business analyzed over 2,100 TED Talks using AI. The result? Speakers who use more hand gestures were rated as significantly more competent, knowledgeable, and persuasive than those who didn't. Now there are 4 main types of hand gestures. Use emblems, gestures that can stand alone without speech. Illustrators, which support or illustrate what you're saying. Regulators, which control the flow of a conversation. And adapters, the ones we do unconsciously to release tension. Number 3, resources. How can you improve your wealth? To find the answer, let's go back to the story of the famous Count of Monte Cristo. Now, in the beginning of his life, he was simply known as Edmond Dantes. Nothing more than a kind, hardworking sailor. Because of these qualities, he was promoted to captain by his boss, and was even engaged to Mercedes, the love of his life. Yet this happiness didn't last long. Out of jealousy for the promotion, and his wife, his so-called friends, betrayed Dantes and accused him of being a Bonapartist, the worst political crime in the post-Napoleonic era. He was arrested and condemned to rot for life in prison. No trial, no justice. And since they've told his family that he was dead, no chance to ever leave. Life was over. Until he met Abbe Faria, his mentor. He educated him in foreign languages, science, and philosophy. But most importantly, he revealed the location of a long-lost treasure of Monte Cristo. 10 years after his arrest, Dantes escapes. Yet, instead of going directly after the treasure, he goes to visit his loved ones. But his father died of sorrow. His fiancée married one of the friends who betrayed him. Alone and full of anger, he found the treasure and changed his looks and identity. The old Dantes was now the Count of Monte Cristo. But he didn't kill his accusers. Instead, step by step, he infiltrated their lives, made them lose their fortunes, their marriages, and their public honor. He left them with nothing. The only one he left untouched was Mercedes. And although he never got her back, he found love again in a woman called Heidi. Now, there are many versions of the story, but this is based on the main 1846 novel. But the key point is that Dantes would have likely remained in prison all his life if he wouldn't have met his mentor. There are several studies and statistics on how a mentor can totally change the trajectory of your life. So you should find someone that you admire, either in person or online, and learn from them how to become more mature, disciplined, and intelligent. Yet if you want to become more intelligent in less than 7 minutes, I know the video just for you.